Surprise!
Oh, baby! Wow! This is a nice surprise. You know, I never thought, Jorge, you would approve my request, you know?
No. I changed my mind.
Thank you.
The pleasure's all mine.
Wow. Letabo!
Oh, no, I want to win Auntie Bunol. You're already replacing my father with some random guy. Hey, Auntie Bunol, is there something you're trying to tell me? That you killed my father, right?
Bona mo ngwane yana. Ke ntlo yaka, ne? Papa go tlile ka makapeke ya diaparo fela. O tlile sa swara selo ka mo. Ene bona mo, wena o santse o be o leboga fela gore o na le mo robalang gona o jang gona. Ha o dule ko strateng. Ra kwana? Ene lebaka la wena o bo dula ka mo. Ke ka lebaka la gore ke nyalane le papa. So since nna le wena re se related. So why are you still here?
Hey, when I Auntie Bunol drop the act, if you care about me, do you hear me? And when I saw papa so scan swara, don't do anything to me. Do you hear me? I am Little. Don't you dare test my patience.
That's enough.
Kwenza ngantoni babe? Aba ungixelelanga masiba siyam for ama holidays.
Hey, uska nafatha wona kwa riam. Wena ona holiday yase. In fact utsama wena ke beke tsauthi.
Uyangixaka ke ngoku. Uthi mandiyephi?
Senge. Wendebele tsore ke bya. Kon rata ke leso. Emno mfetu stay into punching bag ya hao. U toxic wena akusonyaka wena. I don't need you anymore.
Bokang. Njengoba ungangithandi nje mina ndiyakuthanda. Ngisakuthanda.
Kera kusobhatla.
Akukho ke apho ndiyakhona. Ngamani ubona iplan akukho apho ndiyakhona.
Mara washarp wena ne. Awashap kamthelo. Kera kusobhatla. So mfostori ke jolelo wena no.
Mina ndiyakuthanda njengoba ungangithandi nje wena. Ndithi akukho apho ndiyakhona. Ndiyahlala apha endlini.
Wow.
Kha.
Mntanami okufike le nto yale evidence into nekule bhatyi ngakwijob lakhe because akhange uphinde uhlaliseke ngento right. Hayi mama, right ketana, right. And so kancinci mama, so kancinci ndimfumane lo mntu wenze yonke le nto.
Nonku. So it's true. How long have you known about this, and why didn't you say anything? Is it mine?
Wena nyakalo why uzofika apha endlini uthethe kanje nomama? Ithini ingxaki yakho?
What mbali? Get the fuck out of my face.
Angakulinge wena. Okay, uzondibiza ne? Xa khona into oyidingayo.
Is it mine? I asked you a question. Answer me, damn it. Are you pregnant with my child? Yes or no?
Mama, Omi.
Oh, minute la pogi. Oh. Baby. Oh, naleli le manje i-surprise enjani le. Isithando sami wazi kanjani ukuthi vele mina ayisengikhumbuleni. Oh, sithando sami uzohlala phansi.
You know what, Buntu? I'm not here for anything else. I'm here to pack my things and leave.
Ominyana phela uyabona manje uyangiconfuse ngayo yonke lento ethethayo le ayihlangane kahle baby. Yini ngibona ngathi ukwatile manje. Benithi mina nawe
You thought what, Buntu? You chased me like a dog, embarrassed me in front of everyone. You embarrassed me in front of that useless witch of yours. You know what? I don't have time for this.
Okay, lalela. Yabona lo mthakathi okhuluma ngayo loya, uma wengane yami. Futhi igama lakho umbali. Uyangizwa?
No, just save it.
Hey. Lalela ngikhuluma nawe. Buy, uzohlala phansi. Uthe yini ngawo wena kulamalanga? Bofuna ngiyenzeni kahle ngalela langa. Nale uyayazi ke ukucala into esivelele mina nombali. Isimo esibhekene nazo. Sidoda ukuthola amanzi ukuthi ingane yethu ishonile, bayibulela. Bofuna ngiyenzeni? Bofuna ngimxoshe.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. That was so selfish of me.
Hayi, khululeka. Uyabona Naledi, angitshela yonke le ndaba ukuthi ngifuna ungizwele ubuhlungu. Kodwa ngifuna wazi ukuthi yini isimo esibhekene nazo. Wena ungenza yonke ungaqhubeka wenze lento oyizele lapho, uthatha impahla zakho. Hayi, angeke ufike ngistop. Angizwe ukuthi nje into emile uyazi enye ukuthi mina nombali manje siyadingana kakhulu. Nangabona inkinga nalokho, hayi. Ntombazana, uweke lapha. Mwana hamba uthatha impahla zakho.
You know what? I'm so sorry for overreacting. I know, like, we are meant to be together. Okay, I know you love me, I love you. Right? And I promise, I will stay away from Mbali.
Awuna izinto zakho ezifana ufuna uzenza. Naleli ngicela udlalele edile nombali.
Yes, I promise. I will stay away from. So, you tell me. When are we getting married?